This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, November 4th. Stock index futures putting in a very good performance yesterday, advancing to record highs with follow-through gains again today, also at a new historical high. This taking place even though the Fed yesterday at its policy meeting announced a tapering of its quantitative easing program. Basically, this policy removes some of the accommodation, which would normally be considered to be bearish for stock index futures, and yet we continue to advance. So it looks like traders are focusing on some other fundamentals, probably the earnings situation. Overall, though, I do believe the fundamentals that matter still are supportive to the indices, and higher prices, I think, are likely. In the currency markets, the dollar index holding up relatively well in recent weeks in advance of the Fed meeting and in anticipation of the withdrawal of some accommodation. Of course, now that this bullish news is out of the way, I think I can only just be neutral on the dollar index. Over in the British pound, we are seeing prices sharply lower. This in a surprise move. The Bank of England did not raise interest rates as many analysts had anticipated. Their key interest rate remains at 10 basis points. And in the interest rate futures markets, now that the negative is out of the way, namely the tapering announcement, the bond market, I think, can't trade higher from here, as traders, I believe, will start focusing more on the global economy and the possibility that there may be some additional weakness in growth expectations. So from here, I would trade the 30-year Treasury bond futures from the long side. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.